Vocabulary Building Lesson 6. Empathetic, empathetic, empathetic. Able to understand and share someone else's feelings. Example sentences. She is very empathetic toward people in pain. A good teacher is always empathetic to students' problems. He listened with an empathetic heart. Impulsive, impulsive, impulsive. Doing things quickly without thinking carefully. Example sentences. She made an impulsive decision to quit her job. He is very impulsive when it comes to shopping. An impulsive reply can sometimes hurt others. Meticulous, meticulous, meticulous. Very careful and precise about small details. Example sentences. She is meticulous about organizing her files. His work is always neat and meticulous. A meticulous planner avoids mistakes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel to get more vocabulary lessons. See you in the next video. Bye.